today's a hat forward kind of day. Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm a little bit all over the place right now, and I just wanted to put out an update video. I'll get to the Indian Challenger in a minute, but a couple things I'm working on right now. I do have the GoPro Hero 8, which I'm getting into. Just started using it today, actually, and really enjoyed. I wanted to get into that and this setup and really kind of the intention I have behind this little GoPro flex here, but I'm actually getting to the point where I have quite a collection brewing here. So this is my fourth. Basically, I have 2 5s, a 7, and an 8. I'll get into that in another video. Again, just letting you know that is coming. I also want to do just a general gear review. I have amassed just a ton of gear, and I would like to actually just kind of go through it all and share with you guys what I've acquired, what I'm using. I do have a video coming up, I believe, American Bike and Trike, which is a local shop here that does trike and quad conversions, has a Goldwing trike that he has sitting in his shop right now with the automatic transmission, one of the new Goldwings, and I think I want to take that out and see how that thing is. I've actually never ridden a Goldwing. Now, to get to the Indian Challenger, I know that a lot of you guys are here for that. I put out 5 videos, which basically, as of today, have 128,988 views and netted this channel 1,383 subscribers. So that is more subscribers than any Harley Davidson video has ever gained in my YouTube channel. I still love my Harley Davidson subscribers out there. I'm still riding my 2018 Heritage. I get a ton of comments from you guys asking when I'm buying my Challenger. And I'm not one of these YouTubers, which you can see a whole lot out there with McLarens and all these cars where they keep them for 6 months, turn around and trade them in and get the next big thing because they have the subscribers and the views where they can basically just do stupid financial decisions and do those things. If I was in a position to do that, I probably would, just because the platform is, well, it's compelling and a lot of people are very interested in it. So I don't want to get into too much really with this because it's not for lack of effort. I can promise you guys that. There is no part of me that wants to just run around locally to dealerships here and just come off as if I'm trying to, look as if I'm going to buy a bike and then just get out and start recording with it. I think that's dishonest. I personally don't really, I don't want to gain that reputation locally that, this guy's just out using us for content. It's not really what I'm all about. So I think there might be a local dealership here that might kind of work with me a little bit. I'm not too sure. Still trying to work that out. But as of right now, I did swing for the fences with a pitch to Indian, and that didn't really go the way that I would have liked, which is fine. I also understand Indian gets 8 million requests from YouTube creators, and I'm just kind of a small fry kind of guy. No harm, no foul. It's just kind of part of the business of building something like this channel. Basically, you got to take your shots. If you guys saw the amount of emails that I fire off and have for the last 4 years, in effort of building this channel, it is it would be embarrassing, to be totally honest with you. But the flip side of that is that if you're not swinging, you're never going to connect. And I kind of have this whole theory of, I wake up every day and I try to swing for the fences with something and see if it works out. And ultimately, to be honest with you, it slowly has panned out with this channel. Everything just kind of happens the way it happens. And, maybe one day there will be, a home run hit. So, again, not for lack of effort. I'm still working on it. There are some things kind of in the works slowly. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I will get on an Indian Challenger at some point in time and give you guys my opinion. I was at Harley Davidson of Scottsdale this past Friday where the demo truck was in, and I did some test rides there, did a little filming. And the 2020 Harleys, there's not a whole lot to go over. It's just not a whole lot of changes. And as I was there, I actually ran into a subscriber. I am. How you doing?
I like your videos are pretty good, man.
Thanks. Appreciate that. Which was the first time it's ever happened, and it was really awesome. And he had mentioned to me that the Indian dealership, which was another half an hour away, so I was already half an hour from my house, another half an hour further away, had that Indian dealership had some demo rides going. So I just basically bailed out of the Harley Davidson dealership, shot over to that Indian dealership, And when I got there, they told me that the event was rained out for the day, which it did rain that morning. So then I was an hour away from home. I chatted with the manager there for quite a while. He was a great guy. So it really wasn't a lost trip. I always like meeting people and talking. So they did tell me, yeah, it was rained out for today, but you could come back tomorrow. But I had already planned on building gingerbread houses with my 3-year-old. And you know, guys, this channel is really important to me personally, but number 1 is family, number 2 is my full-time job, and then number 3 is this YouTube channel. And when it comes time to the amount of time that I spend doing this kind of stuff, family has got to come first. So I wasn't able to go back the next day for that demo ride. And it was really kind of a bummer as far as not being able to get out to ride the Challenger, because I really want to do it, but the time will come, and I just wanted to update you guys because I owe it to the 1,383 of you that subscribe to this channel to tell you what's going on. And as far as this channel is concerned, you know, my loyalty lies with you guys, the viewers, as it should, because without you guys, this channel is really nothing. So I did owe you guys an explanation and to let you know, I'm not just sleeping here. I'm certainly trying. Basically 3 attempts to get on a Challenger, and that failed. Now, one thing I do want to say without saying too much, I basically could have ridden out to California, and it was very short notice on a weekend, and it would have been about 5 hours for me to get there, ride with the Challenger for a day or two, and then 5 hours home. But with that short notice, I did have family in town, and it was right on the heels of a death in the family, and I obviously at that point can't say like, hey, thanks that you're flying into Phoenix, and but I'm going to be in California riding around on a motorcycle for my YouTube channel. That would have really just been obviously probably one of the worst things I could have done. So Indian definitely did try to accommodate me with that, and I'm super thankful for that. But again, I just have to update you guys because there's 13, almost 1,400 of you that jumped on, that were looking for information on that bike, and I just wanted to let you guys know that it's certainly not for lack of effort that the content's not there. So, but I'm also not going to lie to dealerships and pretend like I'm going to buy the bike so I can go out and ride around on it and film. That's not what I'm all about, because these bikes are something that these dealerships own, and to ride around and put miles on them, basically you're doing it at their expense. It's not the right way to go about doing it. So I beat that into the ground a little bit, but the next thing I wanted to talk about is the Crown Vic. I still have the Crown Vic. Yesterday was the first day that I had any mechanical issues with it. I've put, probably 10,000 miles on it since I had it it's been about 10 months that I've put 10,000 miles on it. The battery died on me yesterday. So I went and bought a new battery and put that in, and it's back running again. I got to get that car painted. I still haven't painted it, and I've had it for 8 months. The car's running really strong. I do want to get it painted. There is a YouTuber here that actually has a paint booth. His name's Austin Coulson. He actually does some really cool videos. He's turned a Crown Vic basically into a Baja desert runner type of vehicle, and it's pretty wild. I suggest you check it out. I'll link him down below. He has a paint booth, and he actually offered if I want to try to paint the car there, that I could do that. So I may go that route. Check out his channel. He's pretty cool content. And then last but certainly not least, if you've been a subscriber for quite some time, I'm talking, 2 years, year and a half, I put Bilstein, yes, it's Bilstein, not Bill Stein, 5112 shocks on the back of my truck. Those videos did really well, and everybody's been asking, when are you going to do the 6112s on the front of the truck, which is a coilover setup. I finally have all of the appropriate stuff to go about doing that, and I'm going to do it. That video is coming. I will let you guys know what I think about those. So that's what I have going on my channel right now. I just wanted to do a bit of an update video and let you guys know I have a lot of stuff going on. It's busy around here. So I appreciate you guys sticking with me. This channel has experienced some really awesome growth lately, and I'm just super humbled by all of it. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel. I forgot to plug the merch. It's always best to plug the merch at the very last second of your YouTube video, which I have a funny feeling nobody got to because YouTube viewers have the attention span of gerbils, statistically speaking, not being offensive. The average view duration of a video is 3 minutes and 36 seconds on my channel. So that's where I'm at right now. It's just all jokes aside. Thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.